Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see top 10 important phone settings to turn on now. So watch the full video without skip. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe now. So let's get started. Number 1. Find my device. Guys, when you lost your phone, then this setting will helpful to you. For that, just go to your Google and search Find My Device and click on First Website and perform related actions and enable the setting. It will very helpful to find out your lost phone. Number 2. Wi-Fi auto disconnect. Guys, this setting is very important for your battery. Actually, when your phone Wi-Fi is on, it constantly scans for Wi-Fi networks, even when you're not connected. This drains your battery unnecessarily and can also pose a security risk when it tries to connect to open/public networks. So for that, just go to your Wi-Fi setting, then go to Advanced section and disable Auto Connect to Public Networks. Number 3. Block app tracking. Guys, many apps track your data in the background, even when you're not using them. They collect location, microphone access, camera usage, and browsing activity, often without your knowledge. By blocking hidden permissions, you can stop apps from spying on you and improve battery life. For that, just go to your setting and go to Privacy section, go to Permission Manager, and check and disable unnecessary permissions. Number 4. Lockdown mode. Lockdown mode is a powerful security feature that protects your phone from hackers, spyware, and unauthorized access. It temporarily disables biometric unlocks, Face ID, fingerprint, smart lock, and notifications to prevent forced unlocking or data theft. For that, just go to your setting and go to Security section and enable lockdown mode. Number 5. Dark mode. Dark mode is a display setting that changes your phone's background from bright white to black or dark gray. It reduces eye strain, saves battery, and makes reading more comfortable in low light conditions. For that, just go to your display setting and enable dark mode. Number 6. Emergency SOS. Emergency SOS is a must-know smartphone feature that helps you quickly contact emergency services or alert your trusted contacts in a dangerous situation. With just a few button presses, you can call for help instantly, even without unlocking your phone. For that, just go to your setting and go to Safety and Emergency section and enable SOS. And for activating SOS, press the power button 5 times quickly. Number 7. Enable safe browsing. Safe browsing is a security feature in web browsers like Google Chrome, Safari, and Edge that helps protect users from malicious websites, phishing scams, and malware. When enabled, it warns you before visiting a potentially dangerous site. For enabling the safe browsing, just go to your browser setting, then go to Privacy and Security, go to Safe Browsing, and enable Enhanced Protection. Number 8. Disable background data. Many apps use mobile data in the background, even when you're not actively using them. They refresh content, download updates, and send notifications, wasting data and battery. For example, social media apps, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So for resolve this issue, do only one setting. Go to Particular App Setting, and go to Mobile Data and Wi-Fi section, and disable background data. Number 9. Enable SIM card lock. SIM card lock is a security feature that prevents unauthorized access to your SIM card by requiring a PIN code every time your phone is restarted or the SIM is removed. For that, just go to Security section in your setting and go to SIM card lock and set the PIN. Number 10. Auto update. Keeping your phone updated is crucial for security, performance, and new features. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software. So, enabling automatic security updates ensures your phone stays protected without manual effort. So for that, just go to your Security section and enable Google Play System Update. So guys, I hope these 10 essential settings help you to improve your privacy, security, battery life, and discover hidden features on your phone. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to drop a comment below. See you in the next video. But before that, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.